Ginseng is a generic name for any of the 11 species of evergreen plants in the genus Ginseng of the Asteraceae family. The characteristic of all these plants is that they contain a type of steroidal glycoside called ginsenoside. Ginseng is believed to be beneficial for improving health. These short, low-growing, fleshy-rooted plants have a tooth-shaped colored root, a relatively tall stem, and oval-shaped green leaves. Both American ginseng and Asian ginseng are believed to increase energy, lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and reduce stress. They are soothing and effective in treating diabetes and managing sexual dysfunction in men. Ginseng roots are collected only in autumn, because only in this state can they maintain their fleshy state and pleasant appearance even after drying. Ginseng belongs to the category of perennial and perennial plants. It is very slow growing and needs years to mature. It has a large and fleshy root and its length reaches 5 to 7 centimeters. The thickness of the root is about 1 to 2.5 centimeters and its main part has a spindle shape and usually 2 branches at the end. Usually small roots also grow outwards from around it. The roots of these plants can be harvested between the ages of 3 and 10 years, and if many years pass, it gradually wears out and changes its shape and can become porous and woody. This plant begins to flower in about the 4th year of its life, and after spending about 4 to 6 years of its life, its roots reach maturity. It is interesting that the importance of these plants in China is so much that the export of the seeds of the plant is prohibited and is considered one of the protected plants in this land. Also, in Russia, cutting wild species of these plants is illegal, and in case of violation, it has its own conditions. After harvest, the color range among the roots of this plant is from very pale yellow to whitish to tan and brown in its American varieties. This plant has a raised stem with a height that can reach a foot and green leaves with serrated sides, a fruit similar to a raspberry or blackberry with a similar cluster, bright red in color on the side of its relatively wide and beautiful leaves. Several benefits have been reported for ginseng. However, more research is needed to confirm this. Ginseng has traditionally been considered to help with a wide range of health benefits, but Western scientists and health professionals often question the medicinal properties of ginseng and believe that more research is needed to confirm its benefits as a dietary supplement. There is no conclusive evidence to support the true effectiveness of ginseng. Ginseng products can be associated with different quality and medicinal properties. Reviewing these products before purchasing is highly recommended. Some products contain small or irregular amounts of ginseng and some of them contain other substances. Documentary evidence shows that ginseng plant has many pharmacological effects, including anti-fatigue effect, strengthening of physical and intellectual powers. Laboratory studies have shown that many of the anti-fatigue effects of ginseng are related to the stimulating effect of ginseng on. Ginseng has been confirmed as a preventive as well as restorative and efficient agent to increase physical, mental and psychological capacity, and its role in helping to improve complications such as weakness, disability, loss of concentration during the recovery period is considered. So far, about 30 different types have been purified and studied from the roots of these plants. Researchers state that the following health benefits are associated with ginseng: increasing energy, making the body stronger, improving cognitive function, improving thinking and perception processes, anti-inflammatory effects, treating erectile dysfunction, preventing influenza, lowering blood sugar. The dried root of this plant has been used by people for many years. This dried root can be taken alone as an infusion, not boiled, or as part of an herbal brew with other herbs, or even as an additive to soup or in pill form. But the most common way of using it is as an infusion in tea or as an extract, juice. Boiling this plant creates a poisonous substance.